In this video, I am going to teach you how to change your car on Admiral Insurance. This can be done online in just a few minutes without the need for long phone calls. Make sure you have your new car details and policy number ready before you start. Let's get started. First, go to admiral.com and click Contact Us at the top left corner. This will take you to Admiral's help and support page. Next, click Motor. This will filter the options related to vehicle insurance. Then, click Car Insurance in the option. This directs you to information and actions for your car policy. You will proceed to the Admiral Virtual Assistant, then click Update My Policy. This opens the tools for making changes to your account. Next, click Change My Vehicle. This will start the process of updating your car information. Again, click Change Vehicle. This confirms that you want to proceed with the update. Choose How do I do this? Then just follow the steps provided. The assistant will guide you through entering your new car details and confirming the changes. And that's how you change your car on Admiral Insurance. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and easy guides. See you next time!